This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Juliana Perez. Come to paradise. As you enter into this absolutely gorgeous penthouse, you will be mesmerized by the unparalleled direct ocean views from every room's tastefully rebuilt with 2 master bedrooms with a very comfortable layout, high-impact windows and doors, new open kitchen, wet bar, wood-like tile, new AC in 2019, and other high-end features. Many amenities such as heated pool, recently updated clubhouse and bathrooms and new picnic barbecue area and with front desk assistance 24/7. Steps away from shops and over 22 restaurants conveniently located near BOCA RATON. Best building, location and views. For more information, review the details below or contact Juliana Perez at 954-547-8917.